Bro just hit the two-step on him. Alright. Looks like we're gonna have a little bit of fun. What's up guys, it's Stickers back with another video. We are taking off. Me and Kay are about to ride with the Aston Martin Valkyrie convertible. It is the first one in the country. I'm gonna come on this side so you guys can take a look at it, but it's absolutely insane looking. He's actually from Utah, so I'm going to Utah in December and we might go meet up with him and see all the collection, which will be absolutely insane. Ready? That's crazy how he put the lift and it just jumped up like 1.5 inches. And quick it did it too. Look at that thing on the back. Like it's literally open. It is a teardrop. Bro. That dude almost schmizacked me. Alright. Looks like we're gonna have a little bit of fun. He's gonna launch it on us and have those hybrid motors that just dip. Damn it, why'd that light turn yellow? And red. The sound on that thing is crazy. That thing's fast! Bro just hit the two-step on him. Yeah, that thing was surprisingly fast. For it to keep up with this ape, which is actually pretty insane, which is a very quick bike, that car must be ridiculously fast. And that was that I left in first too. Okay, you're pelting me. The sound, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear it. Look at it, it's all cameras. I was about to say, that dude better not rev it. This is sketch with all of these people? This driver's a menace, so he knows how to handle that thing. You got the W? You got the W? Did you win that race? Oh, let's go! Is she okay? What happened? Why'd you fall behind earlier?
You know when I did the launch control noise?
Yeah.
It put it into limp mode.
Oh, okay. I was like, what the fuck happened? Where'd you go?
It just wasn't going, and then I deactivated while I was pinned, and the bike just went, dude.
Oh. Yeah, this car is fucking fast. I am absolutely baffled at that car's speed, being that it kept up with that. This is fucking fast. There are not many cars that I feel like can keep up with most leader bikes.
Dude, I wanted to get some photos with these two next to each other.
Now there's probably an entourage of like 50, probably 20 cars, 20 at least. I almost got slapped by a Tesla.
Oh no.
Yeah, I have it on camera too. Like inches. He tried to cut behind this, and you saw when I almost got hit. I have it on camera too. I'm like, God.
And he swerved into me, and I was like,
I was like, I'll hit the. I went to swerve into you, and I was like, I'm not hitting K. I'm gonna hit the Tesla, and then he.
I saw you. I moved too.
The f***ing Teslas. Literally, one car I've been hit by. I don't want it to be two. It was Model 3. My God. That one race with all three of us before. This is gonna be dope.
Apollo IE in full exposed purple carbon. You got outshined now. The Apollo showed up. God.
Is there a way to leave the DRLs on?
Look at this wing. Oh my God. IE.
So now that it's stopped and we have room to look at it, this was the insane Aston Martin Valkyrie convertible. Only one in the country right now that we were mobbing with right now, which was absolutely insane. And we're going to go mob with them a little bit more, because when do you get the chance to mob with one of these? I think he's trying to get the lift to go up. It's crazy how quick it is. Alright, time to fly. Yeah, this dude is a menace on this bike, which I love. Being afraid to drive. Which is crazy. Those each individual taillights is crazy looking. It's basically the same thing. Isn't that a hybrid? And this is a hybrid, so same thing. Volto now too? I don't have that. It's literally toast right now. What's up? If you guys couldn't hear him, he said I'm crazy. So which part? The wheelie, the racing? Well, which part? The lean?
I was trying to keep up and that was out in his
Mhm.
temp light came on.
Oh, shit.
I thought I had to take it easy. I lost you guys for a while. But just PCH, dude, it's so sick.
Oh, yeah. Have you cruised PCH already?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, I'm like, yeah, it's so beautiful. This just proves the power of leader bikes. Did you get rock chips? My arms are hurting. Yeah, that thing was throwing rocks like no tomorrow. Drive it like you stole it, which you might have was all in.
Can you move your car over there? We have 3 spots, and you're taking up 33% of my open parking.
No, it doesn't.
That's pretty fire.
I just got dap you because you drove that shit like you stole it. Like you were mobbing.
All under the speed limit. Oh yeah.
Mexico. No, we went to Mexico real quick. We're right here, just Mexico.
Emitters, AI generated.
I stole that from you. Whenever I do those things, I saw you did that little tag at the bottom. This is fake. I stole that. I'm like, he knows what he's doing on YouTube. Let me put this up.
It's true.
Yeah, yeah. This is all a video game. We're just in a simulation. I wish in this turn I caught up because I went wide to be on both sides and you took off before I could. Yeah, the old dude's in the demon.
1,000 horsepower vehicle. There's a Volta later.
Oh, that Revolto makes 1,000?
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
1,000 horsepower vehicles.
basically 1,000 horsepower comparable bike. But this is probably one of the most insane fun videos I've ever done. This thing better go absolutely viral. I might have to cut this early. Nice to meet you. I'll see ya. But yeah, no, we'll see the Valkyrie. We'll see the Valkyrie right now as we pull out. Most insane thing I've ever ridden with. Right there. But alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and turn on those post notifications because I had a blast making this for you. I hope you guys have a blast watching it. And I'll talk to you guys later. I don't think anything's going to go on, but if it does, I will hit record again. But we're just going to have a little fun, chill ride down PCH on the toll road and head home. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.